up? Another weekend has just arrived and I hope you guys are safe and sound during this quarantine. Yes guys, please stay indoors. It's really dangerous outside due to this COVID-19. Alright guys, moving on to today's video. It's the Hot Wheels series. Well, the last week's video was also the Hot Wheels series. It was the 71 Datsun 510 guys. A very cool, mostly forgotten JDM, which in stock doesn't look so good, but this one guys, it was amazing. Check that video out, it'll be popping up in the screen right now. It was a really cool car guys, and this time also I've got the Hot Wheels series, but it's got 10 on 10 in Muscle Mania. Finally, a whole 10 on 10. That's really an amazing one. Over here, it is the 11 Dodge Charger RT, guys. A very amazing one. It's not the same as the Hot Wheels Flame. This is not just an average 2011 Dodge Charger RT. This is the Mopar edition, an upgraded Dodge Charger RT. So it has a lot of performance upgrades too. I'm guessing so, yeah. Alright guys, I just totally forgot that last week I had kept a quiz. So here goes the question. The question was, what do the initials DB stands for? So the answer is, guys, it's David Brown. You know the Aston Martin? Yeah, the DB. That was David Brown. He actually bought the company in 1947, guys. So that's why most of the cars come like that, DB7, DB9, like that. So, yeah, guys, that was the answer. The first person to actually comment that was Danush B. Congratulations right there. He is the first commenter, so congratulations, Danush. And, yeah, let's move on for the unboxing of this car, guys. Alright, the 2011 Dodge Charger is out of the box, guys, and its first look is way cool. Like, it's not the sparklish black paint. This is a completely gloss paint, and it's really awesome. Look at its sides. It's so cool and glossy. And talking about its front, the front grille of the car is continued from the interior. Speaking of the interior, it's not that deeply detailed, but still, it is quite good. It's pretty enough for this car. It's very nicely detailed, guys. And yeah, talking about its window tints, I totally forgot about them. The blue color tint on this car, it kind of matches the Mopar design on the outside. It's way awesome. And yeah, the exhaust is pretty much not seen at all. Like, it somewhat continues with the diffuser at the rear. And yeah, speaking of the disadvantages, like, there's no side view mirrors. It misses the headlamp and the tail lamp detailing. And yeah, those are the disappointing parts, but still the wheels of the car are also pretty nice. Like, they're not stock. As I told, this is the Mopar edition, so yeah, it is pretty nice, guys. I really like the detailings on this car compared to the other Hot Wheels. So yeah, guys, let's just move on for the information. Let's see what's this car packing for us under the hood. This is the talk of the 2011 Dodge Charger RT Mopar Edition, guys. Yeah, it's the information of the Mopar Edition Dodge Charger. So let's start off with the production, guys. The production of this car, it began in 2011, as mentioned in the name, and it's still continuing at the present. Well, time about the body style, guys. The body style of this car is a 4-door sedan. Well, moving on to the engine, guys. Here comes the interesting part. The engine of this car is a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, guys. Yes, the large V8 Hemi. And this is a rear wheel drive. Well, time about its transmission. Okay, this might sound quite disappointing. It's actually a 5-speed automatic, guys, and that's the only option. Oh, that's quite a disappointment right there. But hey, this car packs up to 370 horsepower. That's really cool, you know. Well, time about its length. The length of this car is 5,077 millimeters. Well, time about its width. The width of this car is 1,905 millimeters. Well, time about the curb weight, guys. The curb weight of this car is 1,929 in kilograms. Well, yeah, I guess it's quite heavy. And time about its 0 to 60 time. The 0 to 60 time, this car does it in 5.1 seconds. That's pretty amazing, you know. And yeah, moving on to the top speed. The top speed of this car is 155 miles per hour. That's 249 kilometers per hour. I was expecting it to do a bit more, but yeah, that's quite the limit. So, moving on to the last thing, that's the price, guys. From the factory, the Mopar Edition Dodge Charger RT is actually $39,750, guys. That's 39 grand. But nowadays, when I checked out in a few of the websites, it's quite cheap. It's moving around like 14 or 15 grand. It's somewhere around like 20 or above, like that. So yeah, guys, there you have it. That's the information, guys. So it's time for one thing. That's a rating. Yeah, giving all of its details and everything, yeah, I give it a 7.5 out of 10, guys. Again, it's same as the Datsun 510. So yeah, guys, there you have it, the ratings and the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week with another Hot Wheels series. Bye bye till then. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy your weekend.